My name is Patrick Montoya. I'm a trial lawyer at Colson Hicks Eidson. My practice areas are in products liability, wrongful death litigation, pharmaceuticals, construction defect litigation, and also class actions. My core values as a lawyer, I think number one would be work ethic. My sense is that I don't want anybody to ever be able to outwork me. Our justice system is set up as an adversarial system. In other countries, the judge does the investigation and pushes the case and makes the determinations. In our system, it's set up so the judge is a neutral, is in the middle, and the judge relies on the lawyers to make the case. So it's very important to retain and hire a lawyer that's going to work hard and advocate for you. It's an adversarial system. It necessarily means that there's going to be some competition there. So I think work ethic becomes very important. Not only do you have to have the talent and the skill set, but you have to have the ability to work. And I think the work ethic ties into probably the second core value as a lawyer, which is to be the lawyer you would want for yourself. If I pick up the phone and I had a lawyer, I would want my lawyer to return my phone call, certainly within the next 24 hours or within the same day, to be responsive to me. And to know that even if the lawyer had bad news for me, that they deliver it. I think what gets clients angry and what creates problems and when there's a lack of communication. So I think being the lawyer you would want for yourself, as long as I'm able to keep that in my mind, I think it makes for a successful practice. One of the things I like the most about being a lawyer is not having to compromise. Now I know that sounds funny because so many cases end up settling or compromising, but one of the gifts we have as a trial lawyer is the ability to take a client's case before a jury. And I have always had a strong sense of the underdog, fighting for the underdog, fighting for the victims, fighting for what I think is right and social justice. As a trial lawyer, one of the gifts we have is we don't necessarily have to compromise. If our client wants to go to trial and wants to get a verdict, we can take it all the way and get a decision one way or the other. And fighting for my clients and fighting for the victim gives me a great sense of satisfaction. It gives fulfillment to my life. And every time I go into trial, I know I've given it my best. I've given it my all for the client, put everything out there, put all the resources that we have available into it to hopefully come up with a successful result.